This video shows the free format feature of the latest VICA42I single phase motor program. Previously it had worked for changing lines, but now it works for new lines. If I double click on the program, do a new problem, and I'm not sure what the design data was here, so I'm just going to put in anything. After the first three, which have to be a fixed format, 8 for the run number space, 8 for the date space, 5 option codes, and then space. After that, the format can be anything. And I'm just going to put in a bunch of ones here for this data. I can put in too much, that's fine. And this line is okay. If you want to edit it, you hit 2 and you go over it again. Now for this one, I don't know what the data is supposed to be. Here, where we used to have trouble with winding turn counts, we can do 260 or anything else. I'm going to skip, whoops, no, I can't skip this. Stator punching. You have to have 8 here. After that, it can be free format. Rotor punching. Oops. So you simply continue this way until you get all your data in. If I keep going, these values are going to cause problems, but at least this illustrates how you can get the numbers in, and give it a try with your numbers, and I think that everything will be fine. So that is the first fix of the list of fixes that you asked me to make on well, I guess it was yesterday.